What's up, everyone? Welcome back to your daily market close. It's Monday, June 8th, 2026. And the mood on Wall Street today? Definitely leaning bullish. Let's break it all down. Starting with the major indices. The S&P 500 closed at 739.22. Up a solid 0.2%. The Nasdaq was the real star today, surging 1.56% to finish at 716.07. Tech was clearly leading the charge on this one. The Dow Jones, though, couldn't quite keep up. It dipped slightly, falling 0.005% to close at 508.91. So a split picture across the board. But that Nasdaq strength is hard to ignore. Now let's get into the magnificent 7 movers. Tesla absolutely dominated today. Shares of TSLA rocketed 4.59% higher, closing at $408.95. That is a massive single-day move for the EV giant. Nvidia also had a strong session, climbing 1.73% to finish at $208.64. The AI chip leader continues to attract buyers. On the flip side, Apple had a rough day. AAPL dropped 1.89%, closing at $301.54. That was the biggest decline among the Mag 7 today. Alphabet fell 1.42% to $363.31. And Meta slipped 1.28%, ending the session at $585.39. So Tesla and Nvidia carried the torch while the rest pulled back. Shifting over to commodities now. Oil was the big mover here. WTI crude jumped 1.60% to $135.15 a barrel. Energy prices continue to stay elevated. Gold ticked up modestly, gaining about 0.25% to $397.27 an ounce. Silver was essentially flat, inching up just 0.02% to $61.58. Let's check in on crypto. Bitcoin added 0.3%, trading at $63,293. Ethereum showed a bit more strength, climbing 0.8% to $1,695.80. Steady gains for the digital asset space today. Nothing explosive, but the bulls are holding the line. On the Forex side, we don't have updated major pair data for today's session. We'll bring you those numbers as soon as they come in. Now for a few headlines making waves. OpenAI is reportedly still hard at work on its so-called super app. TechCrunch reports the company continues building out an all-in-one platform. That's a story worth watching for tech investors and the broader AI space. In other news, a man was arrested after allegedly sneaking onto a United Airlines flight using a fake boarding pass. NBC News has the full details on that wild story. And in a disturbing workplace incident, a McDonald's manager in Yuba City was rushed to the ICU after a colleague allegedly threw scalding hot oil on him. Just a shocking headline there. So to wrap it all up, the bulls had the edge today. The Nasdaq led the way with that impressive 1.56% gain. Tesla stole the spotlight among mega caps. Oil is pushing higher and crypto is holding steady. Looking ahead, keep an eye on that OpenAI super app development. Watch for any follow-through in Tesla's momentum this week. And with oil above $135, energy prices could start impacting broader market sentiment. That's your market close for today. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe. We'll see you right back here tomorrow.